In a world constantly rushing forward, we often miss the miracles hidden in every moment, the silent ballets performed by elements of our everyday life. But let us decelerate time itself, broaden your perspectives with the awe-inspiring art of slow motion. Watch the simple act of a drop of water morphing into a mesmerizing spectacle as it plummets downwards, morphs into a liquid crown upon hitting a serene pool. Or the poetry written by a hummingbird's wings, beatings too fast for the naked eye, unravel in the beauty of its slowed down dance. Let's immerse ourselves in the grandeur of the tiniest details, the subtle strokes of reality's artistry, often overlooked, revealed stunningly under the spell of slow motion. Embrace the allure of the unseen, the shadows brought to light, as we journey together through the astonishing world of the art of slow motion.